Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Salessequence type in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app allows user to configure different sequence type for sales order, ensuring a structured and organized workflow. Based on the configured sequence, sale orders are automatically assigned unique numbers, improving tracking and management. Perfect for businesses handling multiple sale categories, this module enhances clarity, streamlines operation, and optimizes sale record keeping. So first, we will go into the sales module. Under configuration, we will find a menu named sale type. Click on that and here you can see I have created two different sale type. First is domestic sale, you can write the description, and the second one is export sale and you can write the description as you want. Here I have added sale type as domestic and export. Here you can see the sequence for two different sale type. For domestic sale, I have added domestic sale sequence. Here I have given the sequence code and here I have added the prefix as DS. Now we will go to the export sale, and in the export sale I have given the sequence as export sale sequence. Here you can see the name as export sale sequence and you can see the prefix as ES. And also you can add the companies you want to select for your sale type. Here I have selected the existed company. Now we will go into the orders. In quotation, I will create a new quotation. Here I am going to add a customer as Azure Interior. I will select my sale type as domestic sale. Now I am going to add my product. I am adding acoustic blocks. Here I will add my quantities, and now after saving it you can see a RFQ number is generated for this sale order. Now when I click on confirm button, here you can see the sequence of this sale order is DS and respective number of this sale order because we have selected our sale type as domestic sales. Now again we will create a new quotation. I'm going to add a customer. Now I will add my sale type as export sale. Now I will go and select my products. I'm selecting cable management box and conference chair as my products. You can update the quantity if you want, otherwise just save it. Here you can see the RFQ number. Now when I confirm the sale order, you can see the serial number or the prefix of the sale order is according to the sale type we have selected. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.